Okay, now what I'm going to show you how to do is how to set up your blog broadcasting system in your autoresponder. The one I use for this purpose is Aweber. What it does is it creates a synopsis or a culmination of all of your new blog posts for whatever period of time you define, so that you can send out a notification to people in your email sequence for that list, that there's new content on your blog. Now what we're trying to do with this is build trust. So I don't send them out every day. I let them feed out like once a week. And what I'm doing here is just sending them to my blog, and they'll actually get links to each one of these blog posts. And this is really straightforward and simple to do. First thing you need to do. Now understand what you're really trying to do here. You're creating more of a dependency for the client to be going, yeah, I really like this guy's stuff. Because even though you're providing good quality content here, you're always doing the subtle selling where you're just suggesting solutions. People don't want to be sold, they want to buy. So you just make suggestions. And when you hit something where they go, yeah, I really want to buy that because I like that, that's when you get the business. So what we do is we go to our blog where we have all our videos posting from our YouTube app that we have in the software. And you just go to the root page of the domain name, and then your RSS feed is what you're going to need. And to get that, you just type in /feed. And this creates an RSS feed, which is just HTML or XML code that it's called the Really Simple Syndication system. So that's RSS, so Really Simple Syndication. So you take that, then you go to your Aweber and you create a blog podcast. You pick the list you want it to go to, because what will happen is as these people join your list, when they join your list and you want to ask them to join the list for weekly updates, they're going to get this. I'm going to create a blog forecast. I'm going to put the RSS feed here. Subject. I like to personalize it because I do collect names. Here is your weekly update. And in this message, please review our latest posts. Okay. And then send time, we're going to send this out. I'm going to just say whenever they opt in. And how often should you send your blog broadcast? I'm going to say every 7 days. And I want to send it automatically. And I'm always going to send it every seventh day. Okay, I want to make sure there's at least, let's say, 5 new items to send, because it's going to amalgamate it. Specific day will always be on the 6th day of the week, and then send after the 7th day. So every 7 days it will send out a total of at least that many. Track clicks, social media sharing. You can add it to your social media link if you want to share it out automatically. Do you want to tweet this message? There's no reason not to tweet it, I guess. And do you want to post it at Facebook? I don't have a group set up, but let's go ahead and save this blog broadcast. Now what's going to happen is when people opt into my list at this website, once a week, they're going to get a list of all of the new blog posts that came out. That's going to drive people to the blog. They're going to go, I want to go check out this mobile versus no mobile app. So here it is. I'm selling my solo ads here, but this could be any product you want it to be. So think about the power of creating a branding opportunity with this, because you're going to be getting people back to your blog, and they're going to be watching your videos, and they're likely to subscribe to your videos. So if they're watching your videos, they can subscribe at any point in time right here. All they got to do is highlight here. the subscribe, or there's a button at the end. There's my bald head is like 4 or 5 times to subscribe, and if you do in your emails say subscribe, they will. Remember, people don't do what you don't tell them to.